This is what happened. I went through the blizzard. They said it was like worse than 1967 or something like that. I felt like going for a walk. So that's what I did. I was supposed to go sledding, but the cops kicked us out. But you know what? You can't kick me out of everywhere. So I said, help. It's real icicles on my beard. Hey, look at that! Good job, good job. Milo just took a piss on video. I just videoed Milo taking a piss. It was an accident. I'm doing a documentary on my hail. Like, because I want to make a video. Let's see. Right now, I'm talking to Aaron. Matt was in the background. Angela's there, and this is my cup. Yep. That's Milo right there. A little cutie pie. Yep. And 1967 blizzard. In 2011, the world is going to be ending unless you ask for help.